What can I say besides I've been influenced? Like I said, I've been influenced. I've always been a coach girly. My husband is the one who bought me my first coach, and I've been loving coaching ever since. My mom also got addicted to it, and I did say addicted, you know, because we love us some coach. And I may do a video with the collection because I do get that. Have my mom's and my collection join, so I don't want to get too emotional. Let's get back on track. So I bought a new baby, y'all. So I was influenced to get that rolling, and I've seen the charms, the scarves, and I literally fell in love because I was like, this is me. I can customize my purse too. Let's get into this, okay? Starting with one of the Coach charms I got. I got the chain. This is the Swagger chain. Let's go ahead and open her up. And I got the gold one. Oh, double tape, okay, because Coach is gonna put their name on it, okay? Doing housework, so I apologize for some of the noise. But let's put her out. Yes. See that? Again, we're doing housework, so if you see that, we're remodeling our basement, so apologize for that. Got the little Coach thing. She was $98. Let's see if it shows it on there. Oh, so tiny. It's so tiny, it doesn't show. But I paid $98 for her. She has the Coach charm. She has the strawberry, the purple butterfly, the C and a heart. What's these? Oh, the cherries with a C in pink, and a Coach bow. And I'm checking my bow to make sure all of my bling bling is in there, and that's bling bling on the bow. And she's that gold, so if you don't know now, you probably know that I have gold, the gold accessories for my Coach Rowan. I didn't go with the new color that has the gunmetal, that tan with the gunmetal. She's cute, but I had to stick with what I know for sure will work. And after all, these charms are pricey, so I wanted to make sure I got something that I can mix and match, since we are now doing charms on our purses, okay? If I can get this. So they got her in here with tabs. This probably wasn't the best time to do this, but here we are, because I'm impatient. I'm ready. It's a little bit after Christmas, hence the decorations, and I'm ready to actually play with her. So get her ready to wear. Oh, goodness. Is she stuck? What's she doing? Let's see. Oh, let's see. She's stuck in there. They're making sure you can't just go in there, which is a good thing. Yo, of course I'm gonna take the tag out. But yes, I love her. I love her, love. So this is the Swagger charm. I'm gonna set that down. I kind of have an idea of how I want to place it on the bag, but I have not opened my bag. Like I said, this is unboxing for all of this, and I might be separating this and then do a how I decorated my Rowan video. So stay tuned. But I'm very happy with the Swagger charm. It came on this board. This board tells you a little bit more details about her, so you can see. But I'm very happy. She's pretty. me get a little closer. Y'all can see she is so pretty. So, oh, I'm facing her towards me. So, there's the bow. Here's the cherries with the C. The heart with the C for Coach. It's a beautiful lavender butterfly, and I love butterflies, if you know. And I love me some strawberries. And even the strawberry has little bedazzle in it, you see? And then the Coach tag, because Coach's policy, you know what I mean? If it's Coach, it's gonna have that Coach tag, okay? Okay, Coach don't play. Let me get my nail out the way so y'all can see. The Coach dog tag, same as the purses, but it's also on the swagger chain, which I think is adorable. But, and there she go. Like I said, like this video, subscribe, make sure you check out my next video. I'm going to be opening up each individual item I got from my bag and doing an unboxing of the bag, and then a video where it shows how I put everything on her. So keep watching, thumbs up this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.